Hi, I'm Dr. Asif and he is Vasu, a state badminton player. He is having recurrent peroneal tendon injury because of misalignment of the talus. His talus bone is not in place, and that's why there's a biomechanically he is taking more weight on the lateral area, and whenever he play, when he take a back shot, he goes on the back foot, and because of the biomechanics shifted, the entire body will shifted on the lateral side and his foot get twisted inside, and that's why he gets recurrent injury of the peroneal tendon, which is here. You can see is quite prominent. This peroneal tendon, you can see this recurrent injury of the peroneal tendon, and you can see the shape of his ankle. You can see the talus bone is not aligned, it's not in its place, it is moved out little inside, and the foot is going little inward. So we have to align the talus bone so then the biomechanic of his foot get okay, and he could equally share the weight of his body on the center of the foot. So now we are going to align the talus. Just slide on please. Because talus is moved inside, you can see the foot shape is like turning to inside, and we have to place the foot in the center, and we have to hold the talus bone with our middle finger like this, and we have to give force in this direction, thus laterally, so we can place the talus bone in center. Yes, relax, breathe in, breathe out. Move your foot now. Move out. Great. Now you can see the flexibility of the foot has increased, the eversion is increases, and we have done the adjustment. So gradually his biomechanics will change, he will get the new alignment, and foot will take the complete equal weight on the both sides. Thank you very much.